In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem eBay gift card code. If you've received an eBay gift card and you're ready to use it on a purchase, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you easily how to apply the gift card during checkout so the balance is used toward your order. To begin, open the item you want to purchase on eBay. Make sure you're on the product page for the item you want, and once you're ready to move forward, click on Buy It Now. This takes you directly into the checkout flow, which is where you'll be able to redeem your gift card. If you're buying more than one item, just keep in mind that gift card use may depend on the checkout setup, so it's usually easiest to start with the item you want to purchase right away. Once you're on the checkout page, look for the section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. This is the area where eBay allows you to enter promotional codes or gift card details before you complete payment. It may appear near the payment summary or order total, so take a moment to scan the page if you don't see it immediately. After you find that section, type the gift card code into the field provided. Be careful while entering the code, since even a small typo can prevent it from working correctly. It's a good idea to enter it exactly as shown on the card or in the email if it was delivered digitally. Also, avoid adding extra spaces before or after the code. Once the code has been entered, click Apply. After that, eBay should process the code and update your order total. If the gift card is valid, you'll usually see the balance applied right away. If the full purchase amount is not covered, you can simply pay the remaining balance using your selected payment method. If the gift card covers the entire amount, your total may update accordingly before you place the order. And that's it. That's how to redeem an eBay gift card code during checkout. Just click Buy It Now. Go to the gift cards and coupons section, enter the code carefully, and click Apply. If the code doesn't work on the first try, double check that it was entered correctly and that you're using it in the proper checkout field. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.